Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear your Steam cache. This is actually quite simple. First I open Steam and I'm now on my start page. Now I click on Steam at the top left and go to Settings. In the sidebar I go to Downloads and find the Steam cache here. If we click on it, we have to confirm this once and Steam will now clear the cache and then restart. Note that your installed games are still available, but current downloads can be deleted. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.